Okay guys, the $1,000,000 question, how do you hire the best real estate agent? Well, in this video, we're gonna be going over 4 major items to consider when buying a home and hiring the right real estate agent. So item number 1 is, are they locally rooted in the community? There's tons of elements that make up a home. An agent that's born and raised in the area you're buying will have connections for small ticket items, such as a broken window, to large scale items like replacing a roof. So having good connections usually results in a better job done at a fair price. Second consideration, are they willing to work around your schedule? If you're an oilfield worker, you have a lucrative schedule, you need to be hiring an agent that can make themselves available for you, whether it be weekends or evenings, as it's going to be crucial to your success. Third consideration, are they personable? The home buying process is a long-term relationship. You need to hire somebody that you can get along with and trust. And lastly, number 4, what are people saying about them? People talk, and if they had a bad experience, they will let you know. So always check the agent's reviews and make sure that what people are saying about them is exactly how you expect your home buying experience to go. If you guys do these, you will hire the best real estate agent. Have a great day. Happy home buying. My name is Talon Jeb, and on behalf of the Jeb Realty team, we want to wish you success in achieving your real estate goals. So thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to serving you with another video next week.